37 to 56 kilometers in just 5 seconds. Can you understand what just happened in just 5 seconds? I have overtaken the bus and just came in lane in just 5 seconds. Let me explain you. As soon as rickshaw driver has given me space, I have overtaken a bus and came back in lane in 5 seconds. This is possible only when our car have a low end torque. I will explain you why torque is more important than high speed with real dashcam footage. City traffic, rarely we get this opportunity. But you have a car with proper torque. You can do it whenever there is a proper space for you. I was behind this bus almost from 10 to 15 minutes. One lane is always filled with two-wheelers and other cars, so there is no chance of overtaking in light traffic also. From a distance, I see a gap between this rickshaw and next two-wheeler. Look at my speed. From 37 to it started going up. I just gave acceleration. When I was parallel to bus, I realized there is another scooter also on another lane, and that scooter came in my lane. As I know very well how to handle my machine, timely I came back in my lane. So top speed of car doesn't matter in city traffic. What matters is low end torque of your car. Yes, and your skill also. So good torque can be provided by diesel engine and turbo petrol engines. Naturally aspirated petrol engines and CNG are not good for low end torque.